What's going on, YouTube out there, man? So I'm at Lowe's right now, about to go get me some patio furniture, man. I'm here in Florida, feeling good, feeling great. So I just want to put this out to you guys real quick. As you guys know, we have a live workshop coming up covering freight dispatching and entrepreneurship. I'm out here right now. Me and my business partner just pulled up too. So Antoine West, he just pulled up, man, and man, we're gonna do this live freight dispatcher training here in Orlando, Florida, March 7th through the 8th. So if you guys are interested, you know what I'm saying, go to the description box below, go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com, and we're gonna do this live, like I say, dispatcher training, teaching you guys how to dispatch, how to start your dispatching company, and also how to become entrepreneurs. So as you guys see right here, my business partner right there, and man, it's about to go down, like I say, March 7th through the 8th. And hey, if you guys have any questions out there, feel free to hit me on my email at broker@managedtrans.com. And like I say, go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Hey, what's going on out there, man? Hopefully everyone is having an amazing day. You know what I'm saying? Long as you are breathing right now, long as you are alive, you know what I'm saying, you should be happy. You know, a lot of people out here, they like to compare themselves with other people in this world. And then that's when you become depressed. You know, get off social media. You know what I'm saying? Stay off of that. You know, it ain't nothing but people on there that's basically putting on and acting like their life is so amazing. And then now you're going to feel like you're not accomplishing the things that you want in this world. You know what I'm saying? So stay off of social media, man, and stay on your grind and stay on your hustle and stop comparing yourself to other people and stop worrying about other people. You know, so, hey, I just want to drop this quick video. You already know what I got to do. You already know. Big shout out to the military. You know what I'm saying? Served 5 years in the Navy, served 3 years in the Army. Big shout out to all my military veterans out there. I salute each and every one of you, you know. So today in this quick video, I just want to drop on you guys, man. You know, about 2 weeks ago, I was talking to an actual individual. And this individual has, I believe, 8 semi trucks. And yesterday I told you guys I was going to go get some patio furniture, and that's what I got. I'm out here on my patio. As you guys know, I just came from Indianapolis, Indiana, where it is cold at and it's snowing and doing all of that crazy type of weather. And now I'm out here hanging out. You know what I'm saying? Screened in patio furniture, kicking my feet up. You know what I'm saying? Working from the comfort of my home. Only thing that I want to do is inspire you guys out there and motivate you guys. You know, you can do something different than what you're doing now. Never become complacent. In the military, we like to say complacency kills. So let's get back to it. So this guy has 8 semi trucks, and he hit me up because he had questions. You know, he want to know how he can actually run his business a little better and a little bit more proficiently and to be more profitable. So he hit me up, we had a conversation, and he has 8 semi trucks, 8 drivers driving those semi trucks, but he's leased on to a company, you know, and I believe that company is charging him 25%. So he has 8 semi trucks leased on to a company. Right there when he told me that, I said, don't even explain anymore, really. You know, I'm gonna tell you what you have to do if you want to make a profit. Because I asked him, how much are you profiting right now? So he basically telling me he's almost breaking even every month off these semi trucks, and he might could see a little bit of money, but trust me, he's not seeing a whole lot of money. And when you have so many trucks, it's a lot of overhead, you know what I'm saying? So I just told him, man, if you've been following my channel, I'm gonna tell you what you need to do. And the only reason why I'm telling you what you need to do is because I've already then been through the fire for you. So I'm going to let you know how to make that profit. So first thing you have to do is don't lease on to that company. You know, go get your own authority. You guys know I have a lease on trucking company, but I'm going to tell you, you can ask anyone that has ever leased on to my company. What do I tell them? The first thing I always tell them is that lease on to this company right now for the convenience and for you to learn But eventually go get your own authority. I'm promoting entrepreneurship and becoming a business owner. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I told him. Hey, go get your own authority, man. Go take them 8 trucks off of that lease-owned company. Stop paying them 25% for 8 trucks. Man, that's a lot of money. For every $10,000 that guy makes off of every truck, he has to pay that company $2,500, because a lease-owned company don't care about your actual net pay. What they go off of is that revenue, a whole bunch of money. So when you're in business, business is about this. It's about making money. And if you ain't about that, don't even get into the business. You know what I'm saying? So go get your own authority. That's what I told them. Learn how to dispatch and learn how to broker freight. And if you want to, start leasing on owner-operators to your company. You know, so I just really want to put this video out there today because there's a lot of people out here, I know for a fact, you guys are about to get into this business in 2020, or you might already be in the business, you know? So I just want to encourage everyone out there, man. The only way that you're going to maximize your profit and the only way you're going to start seeing more money is to start doing everything on your own. And then you start hiring people for the convenience then. But learn how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Just don't go out and start leasing on the trucking companies out here. And then you still don't even know how to dispatch your own trucks. You still don't know how to broker freight. And you still don't even have your own authority. That's pretty absurd to me. And man, you're not going to make any money. It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? So 8 trucks, a lot of overhead. Some of you guys are about to start this business this year in 2020, which I encourage everyone to do. You know what I'm saying? Especially if it's something that's on your mind, why not go do it? You know, you can't let anything just linger in your mind. You know, that's why I tell you guys, commit, execute, and be obsessed. You guys got to commit, you got to execute, and you got to be obsessed. And by me saying be obsessed, I'm talking about you shouldn't even be able to sleep at night, because this business and whatever you want to do and your goals and dreams should always be on your mind out there. So go get your own authority, learn how to dispatch yourself, broker freight so you can start brokering out to other trucking companies. And also when you become a freight broker, you could build relationships with the shippers. So, hey, keyword, direct shippers. Direct shippers. That's what you guys need out there so you can stop running on that load board. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to get on the DAT Load Board and, you know, book some back hauls or book some freight if you're in an area where you can't really, if you're in an area where you don't have those direct shippers at. You know, so it's okay to run on the load board, but start, you know what I'm saying, acquiring some direct shippers out here, man. And hey, I'm about to end this video right now. Like I say, I got a new YouTube channel, so if you guys want to win some of these prizes I'm giving out, man, I'm giving out 5 prizes this Saturday, you know what I'm saying, for free. $500 cash giveaway, a free ticket to me and my business partner live workshop, which would be March 7th through the 8th. We're going to focus on teaching you guys how to dispatch and entrepreneurship. That is going to be the main focus. The third gift I'm giving away is a free freight broker training with the option to come broker freight under my company. The 4th will be a free dispatcher training. And the 5th will be a live 1-hour mentorship consultation call with me personally. So in the description box below, click the link to my new YouTube channel video. Go check that video out. And while you're checking out that video, it's going to direct you to how you can enter your name to win one of these 5 gifts out there. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys have any questions, hit me up on my email, broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.